Hi water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So alamin natin kung ano ang iyong love reading. This is your Gemini Year Tarot Reader. Water sign, just a reminder, this is a general reading. So this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide. Water sign, give me your energy. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Water sign, give me your energy. Okay, there's a change. There is a change in your life right now. There will be a sudden change in your life. Tingnan natin ng Love Oracle for your energy. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Give me your Love Oracle. Malaki ang impact nito sa buhay mo. Water sign, give me your Love Oracle. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. You have health choices, making healthy choices in love and in life, self-love, self-care, being happier, and the sword and rose. Clarity, truth, revelation, protection, power, solidarity. So there will be a change in your love reading, love energy, love connection with your person. There is something na kailangan mong, you have to have a healthy connection. Health choices. Diba? Piliin mo ang sarili mo. Self-love, self-care. Alamin natin ang energy mo. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Give me your energy. With change, ano ito? 8 of Pentacles. The Hierophant. The World. And 3 of Pentacles. You have an earth sign involved sa iyong energy with Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. And a strong sign of Taurus involved sa iyong reading. Tingin ko, this change is moving on from your past connection. I'm seeing here you realize, water sign, na parang I have to move on. I have to let go the past negative energy in my life. I have to move on. Kailangan kong magtrabaho na maigi para maging maganda ang buhay ko. A change, a new beginning, a new cycle. You have the world. A new cycle sa buhay mo. Diba? Because of pagiging hardworking mong tao, may mga nakaka-appreciate nito, and you will have this kind of acknowledgement. Diba? Respect sa mga taong tinitingala mo. Sa mga taong malaki yung impact sa mga sinasabi nila. Malaki yung impact nila para sa'yo. Parang pag may sinabi sila na ganito about you, parang, or in-acknowledge nila yung gawa mo, so much appreciation. May nafe-feel mo. Tingin ko, your love reading sa ngayon is self-love. Sa sarili mo. Nagpo-focus ka para sa sarili mo ngayon. You have 9 of Swords. The Star. The Chariot. And the Sun. You have a strong sign of Aquarius with the sun, the Star. A strong sign of Cancer with the Chariot. And an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with the Swords. Gaya ni sabi ko, you are moving on from your past energy at nakafocus ka sa sarili mo. Diba? Ini-improve mo yung sarili mo kasi ayaw mo nang maranasan ang pain from the past. Kaya ang sabi dito, healthy choices. Diba? You have to make a healthy choices. Babalik ka ba sa iyong past energy na puro sadness, pain, anxiety? Hindi ka makatulog sa gabi, kakaisip? O a self-love, a self-care, being happier, than before. There will be a change in your life because you're moving on. You realize you have this clarity, truth, revelation na I have to move on for me to be happy sa buhay ko. Diba? You realize na there's something better. May magandang nag-aantay pa sa'yo. Kaya hindi ako magfo-focus. Ganun yung mindset mo. Hindi ako magfo-focus sa negative energy. Hindi ako magfo-focus sa past ko. Parang I have to move on for me to have a better life. So, healthy choices in your part. Water sign. You have a new beginning. You're taking action to have this new beginning. You deserve this. Because you realize, mas maganda na mahalin ko muna ang sarili ko bago ako magmahal ng iba. Kailangan buo muna ako, kumpleto muna ako, bago ko mabigay yung pagmamahal sa ibang tao. Kasi kung you're still in pain at hirap kang magmahal ng iba, baka madamay lang sila sa negative energy na meron ka dahil sa iyong past relationship. Kailangan maka-move on ka muna, ma-let go mo ang feeling na nasaktan, sinaktan. Diba? Kailangan you have this kind of energy, hope, the sun. May pag-asa. Kasi kung you're still in pain, nakakaramdam ka ng sadness, negative energy ang naa-attract mo. Pero kung you are happy, you have hope in life, you make a healthy choices para sa buhay mo, para sa sarili mo, you will find so much potential, growth in your path. Diba? Makikita nila yung magandang outcome sa mga ginagawa mo. Kasi, masaya ka. Walang nag-hold back sa'yo. Hindi na ikaw nakakulong or nakatali sa iyong past person because you've changed. Diba? You make a healthy decision para sa sarili mo. Hindi lang yan para sa sarili mo, para rin sa pamilya mo. You make a healthy choices, a healthy decision. So, tignan natin ang masasabi ng angel guide for your energy. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Improving health, di ba? Self-love, self-care, focus sa sarili para makamove on fully. And by then, pag ready ka na, pwede ka na ulit magmahal. Opportunity. There's so much opportunity coming your way. Kasi you are ready to take those opportunities, new chances, new beginning. Change in your life. A cycle is turning around into positive energy. Communicate clearly, di ba? Ano ang gusto mo? Ano yung nais mo? Ano ang gusto mo makamit? Communicate it clearly para alam mo kung ano yung landas na tinatahak mo. Get more information. Diba? Get some details. Nang sa gayon, alam mo yung patutunguhan mo. Tignan natin kung ano masasabi ng oracle for your energy. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Give me your energy. Oracle guide. Water sign. Hold your vision. Diba? Just trust. Tiwala lang. Opportunity and change is coming your way. Show the world the real you. Diba? Focus ka sa sarili mo. Pakita mo kung ano yung abilities mo, kakayahan mo. Ano yung potential mo. Kasi hindi lang ikaw makakakita niyan, pati ang mundo. Kapag ready ka na ipakita yung totoong ikaw sa iba. Hindi ka natakot, hindi ka nahirap to show the world the real you. Your commitment is being tested. Kung ano man yung challenges na pinagdadaanan mo when it comes to a relationship, maaring this is some kind of a test. A lesson learned for your future relationship. And nothing will come of this situation if you are not ready to move on. Diba? Patuloy pa rin ang cycle ng pain sa iyong life kung hindi ka handa to embrace new beginning and new opportunities in your life. So for you to be happy, water sign, you have to show the world the real you. For you to embrace the new opportunities in your life, kailangan mag-focus ka sa sarili mo and make a healthy decision para sa'yo. Kung ano man yung connection mo sa iyong past relationship, let it go. Negative energies, let it go. Be positive. Have a positive mindset. Focus sa sarili. Focus na i-improve ang sariling buhay mo. Water sign. Thank you, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, water sign.